I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and today I am unboxing the Asakuki Humidifier. Asakuki is one of my sponsors, so thank you for that. Let's go ahead and open this up. So you can see we've got our ultrasonic humidifier. I'm going to take this out of the box here, open it up on the top. We've got styrofoam. Let me take this out. And then the big reveal here. Here is the unit itself, just wrapped in the plastic there. And I'm going to go ahead and take that off. And we've got some notes on here, things to do before using it. So we'll take a look at that. Take the plastic off. You can see it's got this nice design on it. Pretty streamlined type of look to it on here. And it's going to basically create a warm mist for us. My understanding is we can fill this pretty readily, and it's just going to put that out the top of the humidifier on here. We've got some controls on the front. A couple things that it's saying: remove the pearl cotton fixed with the float first, and don't touch the heating plate while you're using it. So let's take a look at that. So we can take the top off. Here is what we're needing to do. That's going to get us into the inside. That's where we got more of the stuff we need in here. So you can see we've got some of these little devices. We've got a little remote control, looks like, in here, some instructions, some other little cotton pieces. And I'm going to take out this water tank, and I see what we're talking about. So we got to take this, got this interior piece here, and you can see there's a little piece of styrofoam kind of material packed with this, probably to help when it's traveling, keep that float in place. Go ahead and take that out. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this back in there. This is the air outlet on the top on that. And then this top piece is going to go on over top of it. So pretty basic design on the inside, super easy. We fill it up with that distilled water, start it up. We've got some controls on the front, and we're going to be able to do that warm mist to humidify the room. The basics look, looks pretty straightforward on here, and we have some basic controls to do things like we can get a reading of the humidity, we can get the mist level we're doing, and we can change where we want that humidity to end up. So ultrasonic humidifier, Asakuki, thank you for sponsoring me. Look forward to trying this out.